We have 2 devices for 2 locations set 3 blocks apart. Mae West completes her device in the administration building. Bombs are planted. Devices are detonated by remote at 7 p.m. after hours. From here on in, it's one battle after another.
I'll be seeing you very soon.
When will I see you first?
What I'm doing here is I'm creating a closed circuit. Very important to keep your cap shunted like this so you don't accidentally detonate your charge.
Don't stop. Revolutionary violence is the only way.
Bitch, I felt like Tony Montana!
And you look so lost. She's a runner, and you a stone. What are you gonna do about this baby?
We're family now, right? You don't have to do this anymore.
You and your crumbling out ego will never do this revolution like me.
I need your help, Sensei. I need your help.
Why? We gotta go. I need a weapon, man. All you got is goddamn nunchucks. Guess this is the end of the line, huh? Not for you. I need to find my daughter. You know what freedom is? What? No fear. Just like Trump up your cruise. Thank you, Sensei. Thank you, Sensei. Thank you.